Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix PON light blinking, internet and fiber connection, troubleshooting guide. So, fix 1 is restart the ONT fiber modem. Turn off the ONT or fiber modem using the power button, then unplug the power adapter from the electrical outlet. Wait for 2 to 5 minutes, then plug the power adapter back in and turn the device on. Wait up to 10 minutes for the connection to restabilize. Second fix is check the fiber optic cable. Locate the thin fiber optic cable connected to the ONT. Make sure the cable is firmly connected. Check for bends, cuts or damage in the cable. If the cable appeared damaged, contact your ISP for replacement. Third fix is factory reset on ONT. Locate the factory reset button on the ONT, then press and hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds. Release the button and allow the device to reboot. Wait several minutes for the connection to reconfigure. Fourth fix is check for service outages. Open your ISP mobile app or website, then check for any reported outages or maintenance work in your area. Wait until the outage is resolved if one is reported. Fifth fix is verify the optical signal. Look for a LOS light on the ONT. If the LOS light is red or blinking, the fiber signal may be lost. Ensure all fiber connectors are securely attached. Contact your internet provider if the LOS light remain on. Thanks for watching.